everyone! Welcome back to our drawing channel. Today, we're going to draw a lovely neighborhood of small houses. So grab your pen and paper, and let's get started. First, take out your pen and paper. On your paper, draw a zigzag line to form the shape of the roof. The overall shape is like a parallelogram, but all sides are completed with zigzag or wavy lines. Once the parallelogram shape is drawn, continue to draw slanted lines along the edges of the roof. These slanted lines will resemble triangles. Next, let's draw the shape of the entire house. Start by drawing the front part, then draw the sides of the house. After that, use the same method to draw other houses in the empty spaces. The houses can be big or small, tall or short, and can be close together or spaced apart. In this way, draw 5 small houses. After drawing the overall shape of the houses, let's add windows and doors to each house. The doors and windows can be on the front or on the sides of the houses. Start with 1 window and 1 door, and you can add more windows depending on the size of the house. Fill them in with a black marker. Next, draw fences around the houses to protect them. The fences have pointed tops and rectangular bottoms. Connect the fences with curved lines. After connecting, add small black dots on each fence. Now, use a black marker to draw the stone paths in front of each house. Once done, it's time to color our drawing. Take a purple marker to outline the first house at the front. Use a blue marker to outline the second house. For the first house, draw small squares. For the second house, draw vertical lines. Then, use a green marker to fill in the sides and other blank spaces. Next, use a pink marker to outline the third house and its patterns. Alternate with an orange marker to fill in the sides and other parts. Use an orange marker to fill in the fourth and fifth houses as well. Use a blue marker to fill in the blank spaces of 2 houses. For the fourth and fifth houses, use a pink marker again. Outline the smallest house with a black marker for its patterns. Fill its sides with a dark blue marker. After coloring, let's draw chimneys on the rooftops using a blue marker. Add small circles around the chimneys. Fill in the fences with a brown marker. Once the fences are filled, take a blue marker to draw a rainy scene. After drawing the rain, our entire picture is complete. And there you have it. Our charming neighborhood of small houses is complete. I hope you had fun drawing with us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials. See you next time.
Thank you for watching my video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.